Apple's audio sharing feature allows two people to listen to the same audio from a single iPhone using compatible headphones. This is perfect for sharing music, podcasts, or videos without disturbing others. To use audio sharing, you need an iPhone 8 or later and compatible headphones with Apple's H1 or W1 chip. This includes AirPods first generation and newer, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and certain Beats headphones. Here's how to set up audio sharing. First, connect your primary pair of headphones to your iPhone through Bluetooth as you normally would. Next, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for the music controls and tap the AirPlay icon, which looks like a triangle with circles. When you tap the AirPlay icon, you'll see the Share Audio option. Tap it and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your second pair of headphones. The system will guide you through pairing the additional headphones. Once setup is complete, both pairs of headphones will play the same audio simultaneously. You can control the volume for each pair independently, and both listeners can enjoy the same content from your iPhone. iOS 26 introduces the Keep Audio in Headphones setting, a game-changing feature that prevents your audio from automatically switching to other connected devices like car speakers when you want to keep listening through your headphones. AirPods now double as a camera remote for your iPhone. Simply press and hold either earbud to start or stop video recording or take photos hands-free. This makes content creation much more convenient, especially for solo creators. The H2 chip in newer AirPods enables studio-quality audio recording with directional microphones and voice isolation technology. This makes AirPods suitable for professional content creation, podcasting, and high-quality voice recordings in various environments. AirPods will support real-time translation of conversations. Your iPhone detects speech, translates it instantly, and delivers the results directly to your ears. This enhances accessibility and breaks down language barriers for seamless communication.